Centiva Green Way is our program for environmental initiatives, and it really encompasses everything that we do here, from the products that we manufacture to the processes that we use to make them, and then all of the people that are involved along the way, from the person on the factory floor to the customer who's receiving product.
I think that it's important that we look at our efforts for the environment not as just things we do, actions that we take, but that it's about what we believe, and it's holistic, and it's about all things that we do here. It's not a separate part of Centiva, it is all of Centiva.
You asked us a question: if we wanted to create Greenway, what shall Greenway mean? And Greenway means to us that we have a consistent approach to practices, approach to education, the employees we have, but also our vendors and our customers, that we at Centiva mean business when we talk about green.
Centiva really got started with green initiatives back in 2006-2007. We saw a huge push from the market to move into green building and to define how our products fit into that. So as we started looking at ourselves, we really wanted to find out what was important to us as a company, what was important to our customers, and what was important to the green building industry. And then we brought in an outside technical director who helped us take a look at our manufacturing process. And we started from the very beginning with raw materials to evaluate what we could do to make products better, to manufacturing processes to look at how we could reduce energy and water consumption, to have best practices with our resources. And then we started looking at the products and ways that we could contribute to the green building environment, as far as things like low VOCs and recycled content, and developing processes to be able to bring those back and put them back into the materials we're making. All of Centiva's products are third-party certified for low VOCs, and we really believe in offering the total package. So all of our tiles and planks are floor score certified for low VOCs. Our adhesives are Green Guard certified, and then our maintenance products are also Green Seal approved. So you have really a total package that you can offer the customer, and then that's additionally 3 separate LEED credits that we can contribute towards.
We knew that we wanted to take environmental issues serious, to start something what makes people think. It gives us a story to talk about with our customers, but we're not satisfied to just tell a story.
Hi, my name is Marcus Johnson. I'm the production manager of our contour line. This is where we manufacture all of our contour products. And what's fascinating about this is we literally have no waste stream. All of our edge trimmings, which you see, we trim off about 1 inch off each side of our material that we produce, and all of our product, our defects, is not wasted. What we'll do, we'll grind it down to a powder, and then we'll send it off to our raw materials vendor, and then we'll use up to 75% of that waste stream will go back into the production of our backing.
Hello, I'm Trent Dawson, Order Processing Department Manager here at Centiva. We cut material, Event Series, Contour Series, and the Victory Series, but no material goes unused. All material that is cut is completely recycled and put back into our backing on our Contour Series line.
This equipment was designed for Centiva to be able to help us reduce our waste in our manufacturing process and to allow us to reintroduce some of that waste material back in within that same manufacturing process. The backing that you see being loaded, the black backing, is 50% recycled content. We can have up to 75% recycled content. We make this product so that it's the greenest it can be by taking up all of our production waste within our facility and being able to put it back into this backing.
I think Centiva's customers are always satisfied when they're specifying Centiva, and they tend to be very happy with what they're getting as a product offering, from not only having a flooring that looks beautiful, but that's going to perform and have a long life, and it has a lot of added value because it's lower cost and lower chemical to maintain, and they can contribute to a lot of LEED credits in using those.
In order to achieve 100% recyclability of your materials, either post or pre or during the production process, we had to examine each of our raw materials. At the end of 20 years, when that material is done, we want to be able to take that back. The only way you're able to do that is the technology changes, as environmental requirements and regulations changes is to buy the very best materials you can buy and incorporate those into the processes that you have, and then design them in a manner that when you incorporate them in, you're able to reclaim and take those back at the end of their useful life and make them into a new floor.
Here at Centiva, we're all proud of making our product here in the USA. We make a Victory and a Contour product, and the difference of our product being made here is control of what goes into the products and knowing what's in there.
We manufacture it here. You know what goes into our product, and we can recycle it, put it back into a new product, give it a new life. A lot of manufacturers, they can't say that.
One of the first things that we tell people is you're welcome to visit us here at our factory anytime. We give a couple of tours a week. We actually enjoy showing people that when they walk through our factory, here's why we have zero waste. Here's what we're doing within each of the departments. We can prove that. In that transparency fashion, you can say with some conviction then to a customer on the phone, come and visit us. See for yourself.
When we're looking at our products, it's really important to take a life cycle approach. If you look at specific attributes, each of those are important, but you want to make sure that you're considering the product from the beginning of the life to the end and then on to its next use.
Well, if someone didn't understand the Green Way concept, I would explain, well, global thinking. I would think about your environment, think about landfills, think about your waste stream, think about the air you breathe, think about your children, think about your future.
The Centiva Green Way activity is everywhere. It affects everything we do. From the day you come in the morning and either punch the time clock to where you throw your refuse during the day, how we reclaim, how we pull our materials back and reuse them, everything we do is focused on the Green Way and improving that activity so that our footprint on society is the least that it can be and still produce the highest quality flooring available.